Hello. Right, okay. I thought I'd just run through how I'm doing the cabinet lights for these here, because it's not a normal thing. So it's not like a light with a switch. It's an automatic light. So first thing to do is just measure the inside of the cabinet, and that measures at 465. So I'm going to cut the rail at 460 just to give us a little bit of play either side. So this is the...
Oh, that's the rails that we used.
Same as under the gunnels.
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll cut this out.
Shall I hold it for you?
Yes. Jump over on the whole place. Right, so 460.
Yeah, yeah. Sorry, wibbly wobbly.
Right, we'll just mark that. Right. So now I need to cut that off at 460.
What do you use?
Hacksaw.
I'm reversing.
You reverse. Don't go too far because I need to go down there.
Oh no, I'll swap then.
Also, I may need your help with this.
Oh, okay.
Hacksaw.
Don't frighten the dog. Hi, Sushi. She just chilling.
Oh, good girl, Sushi.
Sorry, Sushi. Lay down. Timber.
That's not to scare the dog.
You've got a file there if you need it.
Straighten up the edge.
How'd you stick that on?
Sorry?
Oh, you just screw it on?
Yeah. So this isn't very big, so I'll just put a couple of holes in, just for the screws.
Okay.
And that'll be that bit. So a little bit.
Oh, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Oh, you keep going out of focus. Oh, also, while we're getting all the little jobs done, I've actually emptied all the tools from around the shower tray, because hopefully we've got the shower panels coming soon and we'll be able to start fitting those.
So we need to take some measurements for this, that's why we've cleared it all out.
Yeah.
But that's for a later day.
Yeah. Right, sorry, reversing. Don't! And spinning and reversing and spinning. You're drilling there?
Can be, yeah. I'll drill on here.
Do not mark my lovely worktop.
What worktop?
The one isn't there yet. That hasn't been built yet. My lovely cabinets.
That's it. 2 small holes. Now what we need to do is I need to get the LED strip, because rather than put that in there first and then try and stick the LED strip in, it's easier to stick it in now and then screw it in afterwards. So I need to go in here.
Oh no, we've got to move all the stuff.
No, just lift it.
Yeah.
Ow. Oops.
Did you do an LED strip for the other one?
Yep.
Okay.
Ouch. That hurt. Put that back up. There.
You finished a cup of tea?
Yeah.
It's the last mouthful.
Just a mouthful as well. Look at the size of that.
You're fine. Finger out. Pinky finger out. Sorry, I cut your head off.
Right, this will be plenty. We're going to have to solder on some going to have to solder on some wires onto this. But what we need to do is get the length right. So the length, well, that works out nicely. So there are places where you can cut it.
I see. Oh right, okay, yeah.
The small
you can see the
crosses
little
there. And the, whoa,
paper
where are you
scissors.
going?
Sorry. It's all blurred otherwise.
That's that done. So I don't think we'll be using that bit, but hey ho. And then that will stick in there, but before I do that I need to solder some wires onto here. So let me get that set up first.
Right.
Right, so just sticking this into here now. I've soldered some cables onto the end, a bit of heat shrink tubing just so that they're all covered up. So that now can be fastened in underneath the cabinet. In here, if you can
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a bit dark.
you can actually see. Basically, that will go in
Oh, nice.
just in underneath there, and it will cast its light that way. So into the cupboard, so it's not going to blind you when you open the cupboard. And yeah.
Well,
So I just need to do the switch. So the switch we're using for these, just on one there, honey,
it's a teeny tiny one.
is a teeny tiny roller micro switch.
Let's see if I can get.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah, no, that's cool. Can see it.
Okay. So what this does is we can fasten this to the cabinet up under here. And when the door's closed, it pushes that switch in, and the light is
Head
off.
off. Yeah.
When you open the door, switch opens, and the light comes on. So,
Just like a fridge.
just like a fridge, yeah. So first thing I need to do is just to put the red cable onto one of these terminals. The two terminals I need are the two end ones,
Right.
because that's what's called a normally closed.
Okay.
So which means that when the switch is like that, the contacts are closed. When the switch is pushed in, it's open. So
Right.
open means switched off, closed means switched on.
Sorry, I chopped your head off.
So yeah, already checked those out. So right, we'll get these up onto here, and we'll get this soldered onto here. Probably got a bit too much red on there, so we'll chop some of that off.
Here.
Chop that off about there.
Gosh, the wind's really picking up now outside. It's so windy today. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera.
Okay. Those holes, I think, are too small for the cable. Yeah. So we'll just have to solder the cable on. Stay there. So, solder now with a very short lead. And some solder. nice and hot. That one. And now the end of the cable. And we just tin the end of the cable, which is just covering it in solder.
Why'd you do that?
It helps when you come to solder the two bits together. So I've pre-soldered that, and I've pre-soldered this.
Right.
So basically, when you bring the two together and heat it, the solder will flow. Hello.
Hello.
The solder will flow in together.
Oh, okay.
And that will create the joint.
Oh, okay, cool.
So, right, just chop it off. Don't need anywhere near that much.
It's all very fiddly.
It's very, very fiddly work. Okay. Doesn't really matter which end of the switch I use here. Don't want to lose all my solder. So put that there. We'll bring that in there. Sorry, this is going to be.
Yeah, I know, I won't be able to see anything. Go on.
What's on me? Soldering irons too look short. Hang on. I'm going to have to put it up there somewhere.
Oh, hang on, let me undo the heater.
Right. So what we'll do is.
That worked. Right, off we go.
Okay. Right, so let's now bring those together and bring that together. Hold it a few seconds and that's now done. I'll just do this one. That's it. Okay. Just need to double check that. Yep, that's all good. So we'll slide the heat shrink tubing up there. Maybe. Goes over. Just readjust where that cable is. That's it. There we go. Right.
Yay, all nice and neat.
Mini flamethrower.
Great. Fun thing to have on a boat.
Just shrink the tubing on. And that's that done.
Excellent.
Okay. Right. So this can now get screwed into the cabinet. So I can get screws and things that I need for that.
Will they just screw straight into the...
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You don't have to pre-drill.
No. It's on the chipboard anyway.
Gosh, so much money for a bit of chipboard.
There you go.
So there's a shelf in there, isn't there?
There is.
So only really the top half will get illuminated.
Well, the top and the front of the... But
Yeah,
the thing
that's
is,
enough.
it'll bounce enough light around
Yeah.
there, you'll be able to see what you're doing.
That's fine.
It's not going to be
Oh, that's good.
super bright. So, right, just need to get these cables into the right places now.
Sorry, there's not a lot of room for me, is there?
That one goes on that side. That goes round there. And I just need to get this into here. And in the right place.
How do you attach it?
Screws. There's two holes through.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
Oh,
you
bro.
can attach it with screws. Which I need to get.
Okay. So what are you doing now? Attaching the switch?
So, yeah, I'm attaching the switch onto the edge of the cabinet.
Oh, okay.
So that needs to stick out a little bit. So
Yeah.
that when the door closes, it closes the switch. You've just got to get this in the right place. That's that. Just need to tidy those cables up. Up into there. And then these are the feed cables. So this is a feed from what will be the fuse box. And then this goes off to the undergun lightings. So they're just linked together. It's alright. Just let me get the next little bit.
Okay.
Alright?
Yep.
Right,
Yeah,
so
that's really tight.
this one is the feed.
Okay.
So using Wago connectors. So these are just simple little connectors. Push the cable in. Snap that down.
Oh, okay, and
And
that's
that's
it.
locked. So red.
Yeah.
And red. And the other one is just up here. Just need to get this one in. Don't want to do that. And that's that one. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just stick that in place. I'm hoping not to have to undo that. Let's see how we go. Stick that up in place. So I'm just using a little dab of hot melt glue and just push the Wago onto it.
Cool.
So we've just got the other to do now. Negatives. So this one's going to be awkward. Do that one first. Oh, where are you going?
Oh, I don't know, I'm falling over. My knees are going
This way a
numb.
little bit.
I know, you haven't got any room though, have you?
Well, no, but that's just what it is. Oh, no. On that one, and then that one needs to be done, so we'll just shorten that. Strip the end off. And then pop that one in. There we go. And we'll do the same again and just pop a bit of glue there and stick that in. There we go. Tidy those cables up another time. Switch is all good. So, right, shall we see if the door will go back on and operate the switch?
Oh, I'll move out the way. Oh, sorry, I'm standing in the way. There's just not a lot of room.
There isn't. No, the wrong side. There is now the door. And hopefully we can hear a little tiny click. There you go.
Yay, I heard the click. Excellent.
Perfect.
Great.
Okay.
Yeah. Another job done.
Another job done in a tiny little cabinet. But there you go.